Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. Have you ever wondered how hackers figure out the path your data takes across the internet? On Windows, today we are going to demonstrate you how attackers can track data. So the way data travels on the internet is the same as when you leave your house, you get out of the door, and then you get into your car, you do X, Y, and Z until you reach your destination. It's the same for the internet. So today, let's just go ahead and open our terminal right here. I'm going to just make it cooler. Okay. All right, there you go. And then what we are going to do today, we are going to do tracer. Let's see, the path. If I were to go to google.com, for instance, let me open Google Chrome. As you can see right here, if I were to go to google.com right here, you don't see anything. It's just google.com homepage. However, if I want to see the path that every hopes that happen when I just go to google.com, I can just type tracer google.com. So tracer will show every hopes your packet take from your router to your internet service providers all the way to Google servers. And each line is a checking point showing IP addresses and response time. You can think of it as a tracking package. It moves to different warehouse before reaching the door. That's how ethical hackers map network on Windows. This simply like powerful, but it's kind of eye-opening to see, how this happen. I have to hit Control C to stop it for the sake of time. Now, if you are curious, you can just go ahead and just let it continue until you see the source and destination, like when your packet start and where it hands to reach its destination from the tracer command up here. Now, do you want more comments breakdown? I want you to hit the subscribe and let deep dive. All right, second comment is hackers, they use a radar to check if a system is alive. On Windows, that radar is the ping command. So if a hacker wants to see like your website is up, like alive or up, or available, they can actually just hit the ping command. And now in this scenario, we are going to ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. As you can see here, you can ping whatever you want. You can ping, any domain name that you want, any website. But in this model, we ping 8.8.8. So what do you see from this result? Ping sends a tiny echo request to a target. If it replies, you know it's online. The response tells you how fast the connection is. So, like, imagine shouting across a canyon and timing how long it takes for the echo to return. That's how pings work. Now, if I were to ping something, you see, there's 0% loss, meaning that my data reach whatever I ping. Now, let's see if I ping whatever xyz123 abc.com. I know there's no such domain name like that, so it says it cannot be found. Now let me just say okay ping 10.0.2.43. As you see, you're gonna try to ping request timeout, especially if this is not reachable. And if I hit Control C to stop it, you see that it is 100% loss. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you today. How quick and simple it is, for to just look how data operates. Because many times we think that we make a phone call, we go to our browser, we type, and things happen. Actually, our data travels. Now, if you wanna deep dive more into some basic yet powerful comments in either Windows or Linux, make sure that you hit the subscribe button for our weekly videos. Don't forget to like, again, subscribe and share to stay up to date with our weekly videos. Until next time, happy learning.